Over the weekend, hundreds of fish were killed near Olympia Park in Columbia. News 19's Michael Fuller went to the scene for the details.
We're here at Olympia Park, where many people during this time of the year come to take a stroll and simply enjoy nature. But an incident happened here just a few days ago that killed hundreds of fish that called this body of water home. And now we're asking the question, what happened?
And we've got a problem and we need to start doing a real investigation out here.
Those were the words of Congaree riverkeeper Bill Stangler when he saw hundreds of fish dead in the water at the Rocky Branch stream. But his team is determined the incident is classified as a fish kill.
Fish kills are something that happens. Sometimes they can be caused by natural conditions, dissolved oxygen or temperature. Oftentimes they're caused by pollution problems. And so we've been trying to figure out what caused this fish kill that killed well over 100 fish in this creek. And it looks like it was probably something pollution related, and we're still trying to figure out exactly what it was. This is the first time that we've observed a fish kill here in Rocky Branch, especially at this kind of scale, you know, covering a mile of creek with that many dead fish.
I mean, honestly, that's kind of problematic for the community.
Connor O'Gara lives right across the street from the park.
I mean, fish kills don't really seem good for an environment, especially if nature is just saying, well, we're just going to kill these fish, and you guys are kind of doing something wrong.
But Michael Jasper, City of Columbia stormwater manager, wants the community to be at ease and know they are safe to still visit the area.
We don't have any indication that there's any reason to be concerned at this point. We are checking as part of our investigation to make sure there aren't any ongoing and lingering effects, but we are pretty confident at this point that there's no reason to be concerned for human recreation near the stream.
And officials want to remind anyone that if they see something, say something, and to contact the Riverkeeper's office if you have any information. Reporting at Olympia Park, Michael Fuller, News 19, WLTX.